Good day. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at vehicle manager. So under customers, you come down, you see vehicle manager, and you click vehicle entry. So to add the vehicle, you click add vehicle. So then you input your customer details and the user's details, which I'll be doing quickly. So after entering the information, you click submit. So we've successfully added the vehicle. And that's how you successfully add vehicle